Come with me and you'll see we're growing avocado seeds. Alright, so how you start is you take an avocado, the one you're going to eat for lunch, slice that baby in half and wash the seed off. You have to remove the outer layer, otherwise the seed will mold before it starts to root. Now I like to use leftover food containers and turn them into a mini greenhouse. I will use 2 paper towels, folding them in half, rinsing them with water, wringing them out so they're still damp but not dripping wet, and I sandwich the seeds in between the paper towels. In a few weeks, they will start to root all on their own, and I gradually add seeds to the container as I eat the avocados. And then they're ready for dirt. Once you got a couple of inches of roots coming out of them. Okay, roots towards the ground, and we want to cover it slightly so the little noggin is still popping out the top. Because shortly a stem will start peeking through and we'll start seeing the top of our avocado tree. I'm growing mine indoors with the Spider Farmer SF600 because it's currently too cold where I live. But once it does get toastier, I will be placing these babies outside in full sun. As you can see, I've also had success growing the avocados directly in water. I just have fun growing these different ways, experimenting. I give them away to family and friends. Everyone loves receiving their own little tree. And it's just fun. The kids absolutely love doing this. So it's a great experiment in the classroom or with your own children. Voila.